Horses out, talaga. Past the begin, moving up Arias, and now is Blood Joiner. And in second position is Blight on Time, moving up Holy Minstrel Cashmere. Then followed by California, talaga, moving up Divine Wisdom Security Prince. Just Right, Bazooka, and Paradiso is the early trailer. And going along for the first turn, we have Blood Joiner by Awalenka. Holy Minstrel now moving up to take second. 2 lengths away in third. Cashmere Light on Time is running by the Ford. Then 2 lengths away in fifth. Divine Wisdom moving up. Security Prince now to take 6th, 7th position. California, talaga. Just Right, Bazooka, and Paradiso is still racing in last. Blood Joiner, Renori outside. Holy Minstrel, Security Prince now moving up body outside. We have Blood Joiner, Security Prince moving up body outside to take second. These two now fighting out for the lead. Blood Joiner, Security Prince is on the outside. And as they come down at the last 150, Blood Joiner still in front. And on the outside is Security Prince. Blood Joiner this time by Awalenka Rehapa. Security Prince still in second. Last 100 meters. We have Blood Joiner by about 3 lengths. And nearing the finish line, Jackie Kelvin Bete Abobo on Blood Joiner. Security Prince, then comes Cashmere Bazooka. California, Blight on Time.
629,375.
Yun, nanganganib na naman ang